Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. So today is art and craft with me, Chris, and I'll be showing you how to make a dental mold of your or a replica of your teeth. So dental mold. First, you will need the dental composite and alginate material. I will leave a link in the description where you can get them, and some water and a few trays for your teeth. So first we will start with mixing up the arginate. Mix up the arginate in your crucible and your spoon, where you will mix up the arginate with a ratio of maybe 1:1, and you have to work fast because this arginate material is kind of like the putty, but not like the putty because this is mixed up with water, so it solidifies real quick. So you mix it up, put it in your tray, and after you put it in your tray, you will have to mix it correct. And as long as it's sticky, you're good to go. Mix up in your tooth tray, and after that tooth tray thingy or whatever they call it, so you just mix it up. Then after that, you have to do the fitting. So for me, I'm using a large tray, and for the large tray, remember, like when you're doing the fitting, you always have to there's a way you have to put it in your mouth. You don't just put it, you have to like edge it from left to right, left to right, so that you can bite in it. And then once you bite, you have to hold for like 1 minute, maybe like 1 minute or less, 60 seconds. Just bite into it. After you bite into it, yep, you get your tray in, bite into it. That's me biting into it. And it's gonna form from the pink material, is gonna form into this white. That means it's already formed a sculpture of your teeth. Then after that, we are now going to be mixing the dental composite, or the dental stone rather. Yep, so this is my dental stone. It's kind of a lot, but you have to be careful. This stuff kind of pours out every time if you open it, like vibaya bro, magkakarote. So yeah, mix up again the dental stone. I love now mix up with the water, and then now my crucible. And after you mix it up, you will wait for it to solidify, and there you go.